Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you expert beauty insights. And today, we're talking about a product that promises to elevate your brow game, the Clinique Fill in the Blanks Brow Powder Pomade. Now, if you've been on the hunt for a brow product that's both natural and long-lasting, then stick around, because we'll see if this one really lives up to the hype. The Clinique Fill in the Blanks Brow Powder Pomade comes in a sleek, compact form that delivers a waterproof, sweat-resistant finish. Available in a soft brown shade, AB Soft Brown, this product is designed to fill, shape, and define your brows while providing a natural finish. Clinique, known for its dermatologist-tested formulas, touts this pomade as non-flaking, which is always a big plus in the brow game. Let's talk about how this product fits into my beauty routine. I tested it over the course of a week, applying it first thing in the morning and checking back in throughout the day to see if it really held up. I used the pomade on both bare skin and over foundation, just to get a feel for its versatility. In both cases, I found that the powder applied smoothly and evenly, thanks to its soft texture. The formula was neither too creamy nor too dry, so it didn't feel heavy on my skin, but still offered great coverage. What I really loved was how effortless it was to build up the product. Whether you want a more natural, soft look, or you prefer a bolder, more defined brow, this pomade can be layered to suit your preference. And trust me, I'm always skeptical about long-lasting claims, especially when it comes to brow products. But this one stood the test of sweat and humidity during my outdoor runs, and I didn't notice any fading or flaking. That's a win in my book. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things to consider. First, while I appreciate the waterproof, sweat-resistant claims, I did find that, after a full day, I needed a slight touch-up on one brow. It wasn't anything major, but for those with oily skin or more extreme conditions, you may need to keep it in mind for reapplication. Secondly, the color range is a bit limited. AB Soft Brown works for me, but if you have darker or lighter brows, you might need to test it out first, or look for another shade that suits your tone. Pros: it's long-lasting, sweat-resistant, and gives a natural finish, exactly what you want in a brow pomade. Plus, it doesn't flake, which is a huge factor when you're talking about brow products. On the flip side, the color range could use a bit of expansion, and a slight touch-up might be needed throughout the day, especially if you have oilier skin. Now, when it comes to value for money, it's important to note that Clinique tends to be a mid to premium brand, and at 0.06 ounces, this little pomade is priced higher than drugstore alternatives. However, the quality is definitely there. You're paying for a formula that's dermatologist tested, non-flaking, and provides both performance and ease of use. If you're someone who values a clean formula, it's definitely worth the investment. In terms of alternatives, there are a few brow products out there that give similar results at a lower price point. However, Clinique's formula does set itself apart in terms of quality and longevity. If you're seeking something with that dermatologist-backed assurance and a formula you can trust, then this pomade stands tall. But if you're on a budget, some drugstore options could give you a similar finish without the premium price tag. I will say this though, it holds up well enough throughout the day to make it worth considering, especially for those who need their brows to last through busy, active schedules. To wrap it up, the Clinique Fill in the Blanks Brow Powder Pomade is a solid option for anyone seeking a natural, waterproof, sweat-resistant brow product. It ticks all the boxes in terms of performance and texture, but may need a slight touch-up toward the end of the day. If you're looking for a high-quality pomade that can handle your daily routine, it's a great choice. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.